class 7. Today we are going to start with narration of simple sentences. As there are different categories of narration of simple sentences, the simple rules that you have done in your class 6 also. In 6 you must have done only the starting ones, that is if the reporting verb is in simple present or simple future tense, right? Okay, and whenever there is universal rule. But now with all these rules that you have done in your previous class, we are going to move a step further. We will do the rules of tenses also, right? Okay, so let us start for doing the narration. Okay, and for that I'm going to share with you a PPT that you can see, and side by side I will explain you. So let us start with narration. So in case of narration, you know, there are two parts of the speech, that is the reported speech as well as the reported verb. So what is narration actually? What is narration? See here as it is mentioned in the slide. The act of reporting the verb is called narration or reported speech, means whatever someone has said and how we explain, how we speak those sentences in our own words by making our own statement. This is called as reported speech. And to express speaker statement, we use two ways. Yes, for speaking speaker statement, there are two ways. Just see that when you have to speak for speaker's statement, there are two ways of speaking it. See here, first one is the direct one. What is direct one? The reporting of words without making any changes, and statement said by the speaker should be under the inverted commas. Yes, whenever narration is given to you, okay, the exact words of the speaker, okay, the exact words of the speaker which are put in the inverted commas, this is called as direct speech. How this is called as direct speech? For example, if I say the teacher said 2 and 2 makes 4, right? Or the boy said, I am going for a picnic, then inverted commas close. Right? So these are the exact words of the speaker which without any change are being put in the inverted commas, and this is called as direct speech. What is this called as? This is called as direct speech. Next, afterwards, we have indirect speech. So what is indirect speech? Indirect speech means reporting of verbs with making changes. When the words of the speaker, they are changed into statements. For example, the teacher said 2 and 2 makes 4, and you will make a change. You are going to say the words of the teacher, like the teacher said that 2 and 2 makes 4. Okay, so what it means? It means that you are making the changes. You are making the changes in this statement said by the speaker, and it should not be under inverted commas. We remove the inverted commas when we change into indirect. This you know. We use conjunction that also. So this is direct and indirect speech. Okay. So you have come to know about direct and indirect speech. Next is, see here the examples. Here the first one said, Rima said to me, comma, inverted comma, star, I shall go to the cinema today. Here the direct words of Rima, they are being put in inverted commas. How Rima said. Okay, so this is called as direct speech. But in the next one, said to has changed. It is changed to told, and this comma, inverted commas, they are replaced with that. And here are certain changes. I is changed into she. Shall is changing into would. That she would go to the cinema today. So what are these? These are examples of indirect speech. So what is direct speech? This you have also come to know. What is indirect speech? This you also have come to know. Next, here the verb used to begin speaker statement. These are the words, okay, which are written before the speaker's statement. So what are these? These are called as reporting verb. Okay, here it is written reported speech. This is mistake. It is called as reporting verb. And these, the repetition of the statement that she would go to the cinema, it will be that day. Okay, so these are the words of the speaker which are changed. This is called as reported speech. This is reported speech. Okay, this is called as reported speech. Clear? Next, coming up to how direct narration it is changed into indirect narration. How? You know, said to is changing into told. Said to is changing into told. Inverted commas, they are replaced by that, and that in this sentence I is changing into she and shall go is changing into would. So these are the changes that has been done in order to change direct speech into indirect speech. But the next rule is important. See here, this you have done in your class 6 only. Here, see, reporting verb. Here it is, she says Ankush is a good boy. Here because it is says, which is simple present tense, and there is no change. So, it is in simple present tense. So, whenever the reporting verb is in simple present tense or simple future tense, it means if in reporting verb there is says and will say is there. What is there? Says and will say is there. Then ultimately what will happen? There is no change in the tense. What is there? That there is no change in the tense of the reported speech. This we have already done in class 6. See, suppose the first sentence is, she says Ankush is a good boy. How it will change into indirect? She says that Ankush is a good boy. Why there is no change in the tense here? You will say, because here the reporting verb is says. Whenever it is simple present or simple future, then there is no change in the tense of the sentence. Next is he will say, Ankush is reading. So what will be indirect? He will say that Ankush is reading. So what I want to point out here is that what you have to remember, if reporting verb is in present or in future, then there will be no change in reported speech tense, or there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. Okay, or alternatively, if there is say or will say in reporting verb, then reported speech does not change. Next, change of verbs. This you also know. So, if reporting verb is in past tense, now here it is said to is there. What is there? Said to. Said to is changing into told. Said to is changing into told. And simple present tense is changing into simple past tense. See this example. Meena said to me, Ayushi is a good girl. So Meena said to will change into told. Me will remain me, and remove inverted commas, use conjunction that. Okay. Ayushi is a good girl. It will change. Ayushi is a good girl is simple present tense. And it will change into simple past tense that Ayushi was a good girl. Next, present continuous changes into past continuous. What are the rules for present continuous? Is, am, are, verb first form, ing. It will change into past continuous, that is was, were, verb first form, ing. See the first example. He said Chintan is telling a lie. How it will be changed? He said that Chintan was telling a lie. Second one, Geeta said the girls are reading. How it will change into indirect? Geeta said that the girls are reading. Next, the third one is Ram said, I am going to school. Ram said that He was going to school. So it means that present continuous tense, it is changing into past continuous tense. Next, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense changes to past perfect tense. How present perfect tense is changing? It is changing to past perfect tense. For example, these rules you have also done in your class 7, right? Sorry, class 6. First, see, it means has and have. It is changing into had. See here, first example. Raj said Rajiv has gone home. Raj said that Rajiv has is changing into had. Rajiv had gone home. The teacher said the girls have sung a song. The teacher said that the girls had sung a song. Next, again present perfect continuous. It will change into past perfect continuous. For example, she said the boys have been playing. So have been is changing into had been. Have been is changing into had been. She said the boys have been playing. Now how it will change into indirect? She said that the boys had been playing. So how it will change? Have been will change into had been. Just a moment please. Next, he said my brother has been coming. Again has been, it will change into had been because had is past perfect continuous tense. He said my brother has been coming. How it will change? He said that his brother had been coming. Coming next, we have next, simple past. Now, simple past is into past perfect. Okay. Now, past perfect means had and third form of verb. Suppose, see the example. You said to him, you went to Pathankot yesterday. So, how it will change? You told him that he had gone to Pathankot yesterday. Okay, next. He said to us, you did not help. He told us that we did not help. It will not be helped, it will be help. We did not help him. Okay, so I'm not moving further with the rules. But first of all, let us see more examples of what we have done. First of all, see the examples of the main rules. Okay, so the first rule what we have done is, write down in your notebooks, if reporting verb is in present and future tense of reported speech does not change. Then tense of reported speech, it does not change. Okay. So let us write down some examples of this. Suppose, write down first example, A part is the mother says dinner is ready. See here, the mother says dinner is, 1 minute please, let me enter Bhavya into the class. Yes, the mother says dinner is ready because here it is says, simple present tense. So there won't be any change in this tense of reported speech. So how it will change? You can write down the answers in your notebooks. The mother says that dinner is ready. How it will change? It will change that the mother says that the dinner is ready. Next, Anil will say there is no water in the pot. In the pot. Anil will say there is no water in the pot. So how it will change? Anil will say that this will be replaced. Anil will say that there, same manner, there is no water in the pot, and at the end full stop. Okay, so there will be also no change in these. Next, suppose he says I am weak. So again here what it is there? It is says. Okay. So it is says. So there will not be any change in reported speech. What will be the answer of this? He says that he is weak. It won't be I am weak. Change of pronouns is there. Like you do. Okay. He says that he is weak. Clear? So, these are the rules in which reporting verb is in simple present tense and in future tense. Next, I am going towards another rule in which if there is universal truth, habitual action, then again there is no change in the tense of reported speech. Then what it is there? There is no change in the tense of reported speech. How? For example, 1 minute please. Students are entering. Yes. For example, the teacher said, see here, it is in past tense, said. I have not written say or says. It is in past tense. According to past tense, the rule of the tense of reporting, reported speech, it must change. But now it is not changing. Okay. The teacher said, honesty is the best policy. The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. So because honesty is the best policy, this is universal truth also, right? And there will be no change. How it will be changed? The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. How it will change? Like the teacher said that honesty is the best policy. Next, suppose there is habitual action. He said, I go to bed at 9 p.m. daily. What he said? He said, I go to bed at 9 p.m. daily. So this I go to bed at 9 p.m. daily, what it means? It means that this is habitual action that he pursues, that he follows daily. Because it is a habitual action, again, there won't be any change in the tense of reported speech. For example, he said that he goes to bed at 9 p.m. daily. What will be the answer? He said, this will be replaced by that. I will change into he. Goes to bed at 9 p.m. daily. Next, he said, 2 and 2 makes 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. So how it will be changed? He said that 2 and 2 makes 4. Okay, it means because again it is reality, it is universal truth, so there won't be any change in that. Okay, so just note down these examples in your notebook. So write down these examples. That will be very helpful for you. Now, let us go to present tense only first of all. After doing present tense, we will move to past tense in the next lecture, because otherwise you will be burdened up with all the rules. So, next is, let us do the rules of present tense. So, first is simple present is changing into what? It is changing into simple past. This we have done the rule. Okay. So raise up your hands, those who want to give the answers to the questions that I am going to ask. Okay, let me unmute you. Yes. First is, Leela said, I sing a sweet song. Leela said, I sing a sweet song. So,
Leela said that she sang a sweet song.
because it is simple present tense, this will change into second form of the verb. So how it will change? Leela said that she sang
Said that she
She
sang
sang
a
a
sweet
sweet
song.
song.
I said to her, he did not help your brother in your absence. So here, said to is changing into what?
Told. Ma'am
Told.
told.
I
Told.
make it out. I told her that
He told her that he did not help her brother.
speak one by one, please.
In your absence. Ma'am, I told her that he did not help you. That he did not help
Her brother.
her brother in your absence.
In her
Her
absence.
absence.
In
Her
her
absence.
right. So write down in your notebook. Here it is. He did not help her brother, and here also in her absence. Okay. So these will be the
Okay, ma'am.
changes. She said to me, not know how to swim. I do not know how to swim. Yes. How it will be done? She
She told me.
told me
Said to
that
will change into told.
He told
She did
that
not. She did not.
He did not.
She didn't
did
know.
not
How
ha-
to swim.
do not
he
know how to swim.
Didn't know.
He did not know how to swim.
How to swim.
Okay, right, very good. So this is for simple present tense. Next type is present continuous tense. Will change into what?
Past continuous.
Past continuous. Right. Absolutely.
Past perfect continuous tense.
No. Present
Past continuous tense.
will change into past
Past
Tense
continuous.
continuous.
Past
Past
continuous.
continuous.
tense. Okay. It will change into past continuous tense.
Past continuous tense.
For example, Meera said, I am writing a letter to my brother. To
Mara said that she was
Meera
writing
She
a
was
letter
writing a
to
letter
his
to
brother.
his
Her brother.
to her brother.
Meera said that
said that
she was
he was
letter
ma'am, he was writing a letter to
Okay.
Her
her
brother.
brother.
to her brother. I said to her, you are not doing your work regularly. You are not
Ma'am, I told her
She was not
that
doing her work
That she
regularly.
was not doing her work regularly.
Yes, I told her that he or
she was not doing
She
her homework
she was not doing
regularly.
her work regularly. Next is she said to me. She said to me,
She told me that
not acting upon my advice. You are not
she told
That
me
I was
that
not acting upon her advice.
She told me
she told
That
me
Me that
that
I
I
I
was
was
not
not
acting upon my
acting upon my advice.
acting
advice.
upon
My
Her
advice.
advice.
Her advice.
her advice.
Her
Her advice, right. Acting upon her advice.
advice.
Now, so these are for present continuous. In the next lecture, we will continue with the left two parts of present tense, perfect as well as perfect continuous, and we will do
Yes, ma'am.
past tense also, right? So,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
hope that with these, the rules of narration are clear to you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, because you have done it earlier also, but still you need some practice. Okay? I have not given you
Okay, ma'am.
in one like for present, like that for past, so that you will have a clear idea what is to be done. What is the meaning of
And
acting
we
upon
have-
my advice? What is the
Ma'am,
meaning?
ma'am,
Ma'am, to do accordingly.
Acting upon
Ma'am,
my
ma'am.
advice means listening to my advice.
Advice.
Okay. Now that's all for today. In the next lecture, we will continue further. Okay.
And we have to write in fair.
Yes, you have to write it in fair without any means without. Okay.